basically what you want to do is get your carburetor chucked up in a vise so you can get it hold down pretty good so it won't move. Just take you a pair of pliers and literally you're just going to have to rip this old one off. And they'll snap off like that. The next step you want to do is run you like a self-tapping screw down in here. A wood screw will work, and we'll get that run down there and I'll show you how I get it out. Go ahead and tighten your screw down. And get you a pair of pliers. Be sure to tighten the carburetor pretty good. Now my vise is not mounted to my bench yet, so it may wiggle around, but just get you a pair of pliers, and I'm just going to bump it. I'm going to bump my pliers like that, and it makes it so easy to get out. And there you have it. Basically what you want to do is you don't want to twist. You don't want to put a pair of like a vice grips on this thing and twist it and get it out. You want to pull that out as straight as you can, because whenever you go in, you don't want this seating surface to be distorted in any way. Also, if you want to get the brass seat out of the carburetor, you can use this method as well, and I'll demonstrate that now. Works like a champ. This is just a sheet metal screw, and just screw it down in there. That is the best, fastest way that I've ever seen to pull these inserts out of these carburetors. Part number on the nipple is 692317 is the new number. Basically that's all you get in the package, and you got some instructions. Basically tells you what I told you to do, and actually it says on here to use a little Permatex on the brass part, but don't use too much. Just read your instructions. I'm actually going to use a little bit of LOCTITE aviation gasket sealant, just a smear around that seat when you press it in. Once you get your seat orientated where you want it, don't press it in until you figure out the angle that you want this thing to be in, and just run your vise down until it seats. Just let it sit there for a little while and let it cure. And what I like to do after it's cured is run some carburetor cleaner through the nipple itself, and it will come out the hole there, and that'll just in case you get a little sealer down in there, it won't foul up your carburetor. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and replace the bowl on this carburetor. It's pretty rusted, as you can tell, and we'll get it mounted back on there and get it idle's good. Got good wide open. That's a good repair. So if you have any questions about Briggs and Stratton engines or Murray Lamores in general, let me know. Old Medic 1.